Welcome to Technical Trading Channel. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to explain how golden hedge works. So, this golden hedge works uh, only on Thursday. So, there is a lot of specialty included in this hedge. That's why I named it as a golden hedge. It is completely different from other days. So, what is the difference between normal hedging on other days and today? So, that we'll discuss now. So, for example, you consider we are taking two options, one put at 30 and another call at 30. The total spread is around 60. So, if you buy one lot, means it takes around 60 into 75. The nifty lot is 75. So see here, 60 into 75 per one lot, it gives 4,500. So per one lot, we need to invest 4,500. So obviously, for 10 lots, we can see for the 10 lots, we can uh, our investment goes to 45,000. So here you are investing 45,000 and you are taking 10 lots. So observe, you are buying 30, one put of premium 30 and one call of premium 30. So totally you are taking 60 points. Okay, got it? So 60 into 75, 4,500 and 10 lots. But total 10 lots, we have to invest 45,000. Right. Now we'll see what happens in the quantity. In the quantity manner, 10 lots means 10 into 75. So 10 into 75 means it gives 750 quantity. So if it moves 1 rupee or 1 point in the premium option, will get 750 rupees. Okay, so obviously for you see here in second line, you can observe the 10 lots is 750 quantity, and if it moves 1 point means 750. uh, you observe if it moves 10 points means what is the income. So if we get 10 points means obviously that equals to around 7,500. Okay, but we are expecting around 50 points, around 50 points on Thursday. So imagine for 10 lots, if we get 7,500, uh, what it for 50 points, obviously we'll get the profit of 37,500, what I told. You see here. So okay, so 750 is the quantity and we got the 50 points profit. So totally we'll get a profit of 37,500. Okay, so in this hedge, there are some points to be taken care. Okay, so these points are on Thursday, premium decay happens in a second. So the precautions we have to take is when to exit, uh, where to exit. So see this: when to buy and where to buy, and how much do I need to invest. That's what we already know. The things is when to buy, where to buy, and when to exit, where to exit. So that is the matter. Okay. So for all this information and for the safe trade, you can contact my WhatsApp number. That's 9398981979. Okay. So remember, here we are investing 45,000 and we are taking a profit of 37,500. Okay. So for further queries, you can contact me. Thanks a lot.